In this video, I will show how to calculate percent difference between two numbers in Microsoft Excel. So you can use this formula equal, then opening bracket, then select this old value, minus, then select first value. So new value minus old value, new number minus old number, closing bracket, then slash, and this old value. So this is the formula. Now press enter. Now drag and drop. So you will get the answer. If you don't see the percentage symbol, so select them and click here, this percent, and to get the more decimal accurate answer, select them, right click and format cells, and here increase the decimal like 2 decimal, then click on OK. So this is the way, guys, you can calculate percent difference between two numbers in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching.